training camp has started for the football players, and the football player in me has also started. Training camp in the kitchen. Right now I'm getting ready for season and I'm practicing some great game day snacks. And on this one, I got fried pickles with a homemade buttermilk ranch. This might be one of my top game day recipes. Fried pickles with buttermilk ranch, game day staple. Well, game day tailgate or snack staple. Not playing day staple. Definitely wasn't eating this while I was playing. But let's get started on this buttermilk ranch. It's very simple. I got half a cup of mayo. I got half a cup of sour cream. Now I have a third cup of buttermilk that I'm pouring in. A teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon of parsley. Some fresh cracked black pepper with a little bit of salt. And about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill. Hey, Mr. Producer, you want to come help me finish this? Okay. All right, Mr. Producer, show us how we whisk. There you go, nice and easy. Get everything incorporated. Oh, Daddy did a bad job chopping. There you go, you're doing good. All right, now reverse the direction a little bit. Come back this way now. No, you're just going that way. Come back this way. There you go. Want to hit it going a little bit both ways. Does it look good? All right, so here's what you do. Take your pinky, this one. There you go. I want you to do a little dip. Now, turn it around, taste it. Does it taste good? What's it taste like?
Chocolate.
Well, I hope it doesn't taste like chocolate, buddy, but...
We'll do it again.
No, you already put it in your mouth, so you can't do it again.
Why?
Because that's nasty.
I put it on my shirt.
No. You all a little nasty.
I get it on my hand. It's all gone.
All right.
It's on my pants.
On your pants? Stinky butt. Hey, man. How you gonna be just out here doing all that all on camera and everything? No shame. Literally. Hey, what are you supposed to say? Hey, what are you supposed to say? Yeah. Stinky butt. So for our pickle dredge, it's gonna be a seasoned flour right now. I just have about a cup of flour in here, about half a cup of cornstarch. And then I'm gonna throw in a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, some pepper, and a little bit of salt. Save some salt for the end because you're always going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on when they come fresh out the fryer. Since this is only going to be one batch for me, I have about a cup of pickles over here. Not homemade, but it's okay. You can do homemade. I just had some pickles in here that I wanted to use because one, I do like, actually really like fried pickles. I used to get this fried pickle burger all the time. It's one of my favorite things with a little jalapeno ranch. All right. So normal dredge method. I'm gonna take all my pickles, drop them in the seasoned flour. Get them coated. Take these out, just put them in an extra shaker basket just to get the excess flour off. Ooh, there's more pickles in here than I thought. Keep finding them. Like I said, just give them a light little toss, get that excess flour off. And with me doing my pickles, I forgot to say, I actually took these out early, put them on a wire rack with a padded paper towel down, just to soak up some moisture, and put another towel over on top and pressed them just down slightly with my hands and just kind of let them sit and drain so it's a lot drier pickle. You want a little drier pickle so you can get a better crisp on it. And then straight into the egg wash. This is just 2 eggs that I beat. Nothing. Didn't actually put any seasoning in this egg wash like I normally do if I was to make something else, but since I want this to kind of be a quick fry, and I put a lot of seasoning in the seasoned flour, that was plenty. Only reason I don't have seasoned eggs. Now we're going to transfer back. Make sure all these pickles are. Get another toss in the flour. So now we're going to scoop up all of our pickles. Kind of do the same thing we did in the first time we put them all in the flour. Just kind of get these out. Put them back in the basket so we can shake them off. All right. Oop, no, oh, some more pickles in here. No pickle left behind. All right. So I got my oil here at about 380. This is only going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just going to drop all these in. Like I said, this is a very quick recipe. As quick as they come in, quick as they come out. Or as quick as they go in, they come out just as quickly. And while they're still hot, sprinkle with a little bit more salt. These pickles are still warm. This is so good. This might be one of my top game day recipes. These pickles have the crunch from the natural crispness of them. Then you get that extra crunch with that coating on the top. They're sweet. You sprinkle the salt on at the end. This buttermilk ranch is, people hate the word, but creamy. I see nothing wrong with it. It's good. It's the perfect flavor pairing. The perfect flavor pairing. I'm gonna eat all these real quick.